I bet you didn't know your smartphone has secret features you've never used. Let's unlock them together. First up, hidden menus. Dial a few secret codes and boom, you've got access to developer options and diagnostic tools. Next, gesture navigation. Swipe your way to smoother multitasking with these secret gestures. Need more battery life? Try these optimization hacks to extend your phone's power throughout the day. And for the photography buffs, unlock pro-level camera features like raw photo capture. Ever needed to find something you copied ages ago? With Clipboard History, you can access all your copied text in a snap. Speaking of snaps, control apps and settings with lesser-known voice commands. It's like magic, no more typing out your Wi-Fi password. Share it instantly with just a few taps. Recording your screen? Do it like a pro using built-in tools you didn't know you had. Say goodbye to eye strain with hidden dark mode settings. And finally, boost your productivity with custom focus modes and notification settings. Master these features and level up your smartphone game today. Love these tips? Hit subscribe and unlock your smartphone's full potential. See you next time.